All right, here's a quick little quick coupler. XBoom, I think they call them. You can get them for $100. It's pretty much this. And you can get these for, this is about 30 bucks. These are 25. They're from XBoom. You put it together for 50 bucks. Save yourself 50 bucks. Just got them on Amazon. Just gonna line them up. There's a little spot where this was. It looks like that'll line right up through that little hole. Just gonna squeeze it. Real straight. .1032 screw, stainless, a lock washer, little nut. I must have a little burr on that screw. I can always put it back to the way it was if I need it for a regular clamp. There, for 50 bucks. You just saved 50 bucks. Let's go try it out. The only thing I have around here right now is this, so just make sure they're straight. There. I know sometimes when you have these unplugged and they're sitting, the sun heats up the lines, the hydraulic oil swells or expands, then you almost can't get them on without cracking a line. That works pretty slick for 50 bucks. There we go.